Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Smart English Listening channel. I'm your teacher, Emma. So nice to see you here again. Oh my God, come in, come in. Don't be shy. Before we start, please relax. Yes, really. Sit down, grab your coffee, grab whatever keeps you alive, because today we're going to talk about something small, simple secrets. We are going to learn how to talk about people when they are not here. Actually, we are going to learn the art of gossip. Just kidding. Well, maybe a little bit. So, what is this secret language for talking about people? It's called pronouns. I know, it sounds like a boring grammar word. Whoa, so boring. But trust me, it's not. Pronouns are like secret codes. They are shortcuts. They make you sound natural and fluent. Today, we're learning the most important ones. He, she, it, and they. The words that let you gossip and complain faster. So, let's get started. Imagine you are in a cafe. A man walks in. You want to describe him. You can say, he is tall. That's positive. But maybe you are in a bad mood, so you say, he is not tall. And if you are curious, you can ask your friend, is he tall? Whoa! 3 different sentences, same man, 0 extra calories. Amazing! Now let's try with a woman. You see a woman with a big handbag. You whisper, she is rich. But your friend disagrees. She is not rich. And then you both ask, is she rich? This is English gossip in 3 acts. Bravo! Now with things. For example, your phone. You can say, it is new. But if you are unlucky, you say, it is not new. And if you want to make sure, you ask, is it new? And when it breaks after 1 week, you cry and say, oh my God, why did I spend all my money on this useless thing? And of course, for more than one person or thing, we use they. Let's try it. They are students. Or maybe, if you are angry, you say, they are not students. And if you are curious, you ask, are they students? Easy. Just like your neighbor's cooking. Simple, but sometimes questionable. Okay, repeat after me, because practice makes perfect. He is tall. He is not tall. Is he tall? They are hungry. They are not hungry. Are they hungry? Perfect! If your neighbor can hear you, congratulations, you are officially an international English star. But wait, grammar has more secrets. Pronouns also change when they are objects. For example, listen. He is funny. I like him. Same with women. She is kind. I know her. Same with things. It is nice. I love it. And with plural, they are cool. I see them. See how this works? Subject forms are he, she, it, they. Object forms are him, her, it, them. Repeat with me, like you're yelling at your internet provider. He, him. She, her. It, they, them. Perfect. Now look around you right now. Maybe your cat is sleeping. Say, it is cute. It is not ugly. Is it cute? Maybe your brother is playing video games. Say, he is lazy. He is not studying. Is he lazy? Go on, say it out loud. Don't just stare at me through the screen like a confused potato. Practice. PT. But students always make mistakes. Instead of he is my friend, they say him is my friend. Oh my God! That sounds like something a caveman would say before inventing fire. Correct way? He is my friend. Or instead of I like her, some people say I like she. Excuse me? No, please don't do that. Another classic, them are students. Wrong. Correct is they are students. Remember, subjects are he, she, it, they. Objects are him, her, it, them. Okay, let's review. Today we learned he, she, it, they are subject pronouns. We can use them in positive. He is tall, she is happy, it is small, they are hungry. In negative, he is not tall, she is not happy, it is not small, they are not hungry. And in questions, is he tall? Is she happy? Is it small? Are they hungry? We also learned about object pronouns, him, her, it, them. Positive. I like him. I know her. I love it. I see them. Negative. I do not like him. I do not know her. I do not love it. I do not see them. Question. Do you like him? Do you know her? Do you love it? Do you see them? Amazing! Pronouns make your English faster, shorter, and funnier. Without pronouns, English is like eating soup with a fork. Technically possible, but very stupid. Watch this video again tomorrow. Repetition is the key to success. Like lipstick. You don't just put one layer, darling. After this video, practice with real people. Look at your friend and say, he is funny. He is not boring. Is he funny? Look at your teacher and say, she is smart. She is not lazy. Is she smart? Practice everywhere, on the bus, in the supermarket, in the shower. The more you do it, the faster it becomes neutral. And now, my lovely students, let's make it interactive. In the comments, write 5 sentences with pronouns. I want to see your sentences. And let's make it fun. Try to write the funniest ones, like, they are aliens. They are not human. Are they aliens? Go crazy! Also, don't forget to share this video with that one friend who still says, him go store. Save them. Help them. Be their grammar hero. Or else I will come to your house, hide all your chocolate, and replace it with celery. Yes, celery. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Let's meet in the next video. Really, it's going to be even more fun and more useful. You are fantastic. Keep going. You are doing great. See you in the next time. Bye-bye for now, my amazing students.